Does it?
It almost feels like relaxed.
Maybe that's why people do the spa treatment like that.
It's almost just like really hard to stand still because
it tickles to me. Does it not tickle?
it is. And then like,
or do you just get used to it?
I get used to it, and then like on my left hand, comparing to my right hand, it's a little crazy. Like there's like.
Oh, look at them all on your hand.
I know. There's some really
They must
rough.
really have something on your hand that they like.
I'm guessing Dallas and Diesel, they'll love them. They don't put on much lotion. They actually put on a lot of lotion.
Do you? And you still?
Yeah. I'm honestly just
But because, you know, it's probably just stuff that's left that you don't even realize it's there maybe, huh?
when I get home, I'm taking a whole gallon.